Kaya and Adriana are playing hobo.
Wait, is there anything in the bathroom? No. Put the goggles on. Go in the living room. Take that. Wait, darling. How do I put it on? It's a shin pad. I don't care. There. I don't care if it's upside down.
Oh.
Wait, you have to go over here and get the skirt on. Oh, God. You have to put it around your neck. My neck? Yeah.
Watch the stuff on the ground. Uh-oh.
How many more minutes? 9. 9? Maybe 1 minute. Oh, God. Get that on. Now get the other backpack on. Get the sock on. Get the sock on. On your foot. Get the guitar
Who
on.
just snorted?
I did. Now get the other string on. We're gonna make it. I can do it. Get the other sock on your foot. Oh. And go put the jacket on. And wait, come over here and get the rope. So funny. Just stop.
Oh my God.
Kaya, hurry up. Your time is wasting. You only have 7 more minutes. And then back to the room. No, wait. I think.
Honey, throw something on your back.
Yeah. Back to the room. Back to the room. Oh. I did. All in 7 minutes.
That was 7 minutes?
She gave me 10 minutes. And it got to the 7:35.